Linda Mihara. I'm a columnist for the Nichi Bei Weekly, and I do a column called Origami Now. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to do a really cool rabbit bookmark, which can also be made from a larger sheet, and it'll be a wearable hat. This is the year of the rabbit, so this is the perfect thing to do for this time. So just need a single sheet of paper and your hands. Let's go ahead and get started. So now we're going to fold the rabbit. A great paper choice for this is a pink origami sheet that has white on the other side. That's going to create the bunny face and the ears. So you want to start with the color side face up, and let's go ahead and fold it into a triangle. So the trick here is you're going to take the opposite points and line them up. Hold it in place with one hand. So I have it like that. And then you're going to pull straight down the middle with the other. And that ensures that it doesn't shift around on you and you have a nice accurate fold, because then what you're going to do is continue folding from the center on out. There you go, nice perfect triangle. So now what we're going to do is take this folded edge and we're going to fold it up, and I would say it's about maybe a fifth of the way up. And you want to kind of make it pretty even. You could just eyeball it, it's pretty easy to do. So as long as it's eyeballed and pretty even like that, then that's good. You're in good shape. Let's take the whole thing and fold it in half. And you want to fold it in half starting from this point so that you have the right center going here. Okay, so now that you fold it in half, you're going to go ahead and unfold it. What we're going to do now is you have your center crease as your guide for the next step. You're going to take this half of the bottom edge and bring it up to meet this center crease. And so it's going to look like this. This edge should match right here in the corner here. Now you're going to do the same for this half. You're going to bring that up to the center. Like that. So your model will look like this. You got the start of the ears up here, which is kind of cool. Now what you're going to do is take each flap and fold it back down to the opposite point. We're just going to open it up, and you want to line up this edge with this edge here. So this is your pivot point right here. You're just going to fold it down, and it's going to line up here at the center like that, and do the same thing for the other side. You're going to take that and just basically fold that whole flap in half, and it should line up with the outside edge. So it'll look like this, which is great. So let's go ahead and rotate the model so that the bunny ears are pointing up like that. And down below here, there are two flaps. So we're going to take the top flap and fold it up about 2/3 of the way up, something like this. So we've rotated the model so that now you have the bunny ears pointing up like this. Down here you have two flaps. We're going to take the top layer and fold it all the way up to the top, like this. So now you see the pink side of the paper there. We're going to take that same flap and fold it down. This is going to be the head of the bunny. And you could use that center crease as your guide too, to make sure that you're right even. Bring it down like that, so you have a little distance from the nose to the bottom here. And you have enough to kind of where the ears meet here. Now you're going to take the very tip of that same flap and just fold it up to make the nose. Just a little bit. Want a bigger nose? Make it bigger. So it'll look like that. So then that's the nose of the bunny. So now we have one more step. So let's turn it over to the other side and take this flap and fold that up to this top here. And let's turn it back over. So here is the unadorned bunny hat or bunny bookmark, if that's what you're going to use it with. And then you could go ahead and draw a couple of eyes in there and some whiskers and make a really cool little bunny bookmark or hat. Now that you've folded your really cool rabbit bookmark, the way you use it, there's a pocket right here, so just slip it on the pages that you want to mark, and there you go. So for more videos on some fun things to fold, check out on YouTube both the Nichi Bei Foundation and Paper Tree SF channels and find some other fun things to fold. Happy folding. Thank you for joining me.